Welcome to Find Puzzle Star. Ready for a Would You Rather challenge. You have 8 seconds to choose. No pausing, no skipping. There are 10 tricky questions. Think fast. Choose wisely. Let's begin your dream setup. Custom luxury neon sign or smart color changing LED sign. $360-degree premium speaker or bass boost luxury speaker. Like now, subscribe today, or share with friends. Pizza bed, egg bed, or donut bed. Custom gold PS5 or limited edition design PS5. Smart LED wall clock or diamond frame luxury clock. Hand-woven luxury carpet or ultra-soft velvet carpet. Designer custom outfit or limited edition luxury wear. Italian marble flooring or glass floor with LEDs. Private villa water slide or giant infinity pool slide. Drop your choices in the comments and tell us which room is your favorite.